Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Online Marketing with Nancy Green. I'm sure many of the times you might have heard about launch checking, affiliate marketing, promoting, finding new offers, creating bonus pages, uploading YouTube videos, getting traffic towards your offers, YouTube search engine optimization skills, Commission Gorilla, and more of this technical stuff every now and then. If you are someone who is looking forward to learn all these things, but under one hub or under one roof, Profit Launcher, yes, I bought this product today. This is the one which is covering each and everything which we do in affiliate marketing. Now, whether it's creating your own product or you're promoting someone else's product, each and everything is included in this product Profit Launcher. Now this brilliant product is put together by my dear friend Kiran Hogg and Sulekh. Yes, they are known to me. They have really worked hard on this product, and also the best thing is this product is backed up with case studies. I will take you to the members area quickly. I will also take you to the sales page. I will tell you the price of the product. If you will choose to buy this product from a link which is in the description below, I have my amazing bonus package customized for you, completely free of cost. I will discuss about my bonuses as well. So let's get started with this product review, Profit Launcher. So right now we are in the members area of Profit Launcher. So you can see the welcome video by Sulekh and Kiran, and they have their own case study which proves that this system works. Then you got mindset for profit. You should have right mindset when you come into this business. What should you expect? How fast should you expect? Each and everything should be considered. So they are helping you to set the mind correctly so that you are not over enthusiastic or everything is not overwhelming for you. Setting up for profit. So of course you will be joining Warrior Plus, JVZoo. These are the platforms from where you get various offers. Then Screencast-O-Matic and OBS Studio. These both of them where you will be like shooting your videos. So Screencast-O-Matic, which I'm using right now, and OBS Studio, both of them are completely free of cost. But they are a bit technical. Screencast-O-Matic is really easy, but OBS Studio is a bit technical to use. So they will help you to set it up. So there's no worries over there. Then of course they will help you to find the right offer, good offer, and the offer which is worth it. There are so many vendors who are uploading the products each and every day on Warrior Plus especially. But let me say, put it this way, that most of the products are crappy, shitty, not worth it promoting. So which are the promoter you should be promoting and putting the time in the right direction. They will help you with that. Then of course you can make a review video without camera. So how you can do that is by getting the demo video. From where you will get a demo video, they will help you with that. You can upload that demo video into YouTube and create your stunning thumbnail. So this is what it's covered right here. Then so bonuses plays a vital part when you are presenting your videos, your promotional videos to people. So they will get engaged with you if you are promising them something worth it and something absolutely free of cost if they will pick up the product from your link. Okay, so yeah, so they will help you by creating the bonuses and of course the bonus pages as well on Commission Gorilla. So they will teach you that. Then making a review video with bonuses, Commission Gorilla, yes. So this is where you will be setting up your account on Commission Gorilla, and how you will be linking up your bonuses, how you will be actually creating the bonus banners, each and everything. They will help you with that. Then evergreen videos. Why evergreen videos? Using other YouTube creators' content, planning your video, uploading your evergreen video, creating your thumbnails. So each and everything is really very important while you're doing affiliate marketing. That's what we do every day. I am doing this right now. I do this every day, so I can say that whatever we are doing, or even the super affiliates are doing, they have covered it all. They have covered it very well. So if you are a beginner who is struggling, this is the good product for you. It will really give you a good push, a good head start. So you can go with this product. Very promising. It is looking very promising. So this is all the members area of Profit Launcher. I will take you to the price of the product. We will discuss the upgrades, and of course, absolutely, I have my amazing bonuses for you if you will pick up this product from a link which is in the description below. So we will discuss my bonuses as well. So this is how the bonus page of Profit Launcher looks like. This bonus page is time sensitive. Our product is launching on 24th of November, and it is up until 27th of November. This page is going to expire after 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, which is Saturday 27th of November. So let's see the price of the product. The front end is $12.95. You will get access to the powerful Profit Launcher software and training modules, whatever we just saw in the members area. It's in the front end. Then upsell one Profit Ranker, which is $37. So want to outrank your competition, want to increase your traffic and sales, then Profit Ranker is a tool you need. You will learn many secrets on how to maximize your SEO to get your content in front of millions of prospective buyers. So in no time, you will be outranking other affiliates whom have been doing this for years and getting their business as a result. So upsell 2 is Profit Abundance. I'm not sure about the price over here. But it says our good friends at Team Alpha are letting us give away their amazing product, Profit Abundance, at an unbelievable price. Inside, you'll get 40 different methods for getting leads, traffic, general marketing strategies, and of course, sales. So it might be $97 or $47. Sorry, I'm not sure about that, but of course, you will come to know when you will buy the members. You will be inside, and you will click on upgrade section. Upsell 3 reseller rights, $37. Here you can resell Profit Launcher as your own, keep the commissions on the whole funnel. Upsell 4 personal coaching, $197 if you want to take the fast way to steady profits. This service is perfect for you with our personal coaching. You'll get a combined total of 4 1-hour Zoom meetings with both Suleik and Kiran. So this is about the product and my bonuses. Now 200 per day on autopilot. Now this is a tutorial which will show you exactly how you can make 200 every day, and that is also on autopilot. You don't have to set it up again and again, just once and you are good to go. So this is the course on that. Then high ticket mastery. Now when you are getting into this field, affiliate marketing, the worth promoting offers are high ticket offers. They are worth $500 to $1,000. The energy and amount of time you put to promote high ticket offers are exactly the same as we put in our low ticket offers, but the outcome is really great for high ticket offers. So you can be a master promoting high ticket offers through this course. I'm giving you this completely free of cost. Then access Insurgency. Now Insurgency is about Facebook ads. Now you can do affiliate marketing not only on YouTube, you can promote your offers on Facebook as well, Instagram as well, Twitter as well. Now Facebook, this product is by Jonah Armstrong and Rashwin. Now Rashwin is a guy who is expert in Facebook ads, and Facebook ads itself is really very expensive. So how you can overcome each and everything and promote your offers on Facebook and get a good response towards that, this product will help you with that. Then bonus page builder tutorial. So here you can learn more tips and tricks how to quickly make your bonus pages, and you just need to set it up once and just change a few things later on and you are good to go. Then vendor bonuses in the members area. So this is my review about Profit Launcher. Once you click on this link right over here, it will take you to the sales page. Once you buy the product, you will get a Warrior Plus receipt looking like this. Clicked on this blue bar, you will get my bonus page, access to my bonus page. Click on any of these yellow buttons and these bonuses will be yours. So this product is quite very helpful for those who are beginning in affiliate marketing or even stuck while doing so. It will really help you to take further steps. It's a great product from my dear friend Kiran, Guy, and Sulek, and this is my review of this product. Hopefully you will find this review helpful. Please do click on the subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this. For further inquiries, information, you can go to my website nancygreen.com. Thank you for your time.